after it was too nice to the book was in the purple place at fifth you.
Good job, buddy. Wait, good job reading that. Do you know what that means? It means this is an interactive piece. This here is an interactive piece of art. Do you want to pull the sword from the stone?
Yeah.
Okay, here, grab the sword. Can you grab it? Come stand over here next to me. Can you grab the sword and pull it out of the stone? Can you grab it right here? You want help?
Yeah.
Okay, come here, put your hand on it. Come here, put your hand on it. Oh, can you grab it?
This is pretty.
Nice job, buddy.
What are you doing?
Now careful, we got to be nice with the stuff, right?
You want to break it?
Do you like this piece of art?
Wow.
That's awesome.
Where was the sword?
In the stone.
Oh.
Carl, you pulled the sword from the stone.
Put the stone.
Nice
put
job,
it back
buddy.
in. Put it back in.
Grandma,
Put the
Josh.
tip in. That's right. That's the way. That's exactly right.
Oh, good work, kiddo.
Oh.
Josh, you want to pull it?
Yeah. Okay.
Alrighty.
Like four.
There you go.
Oh.
Nice. Ta-da.
Grandma's turn.
Yeah, Grandma's turn.
Okay. Probably.
This is like the Bruce book that's interactive. Oh, my Grandma did it. Look at that. Oh, careful. Grandma's breaking the rules. Oh.
Ta-da.
Ta-da.